Gatta Kusti movie summary in English. Let's begin. Veera, who is raised with conventional family values by his uncle Ratnam, is seeking a bride with his own preconceived set of conditions. Examples include a bride who is less educated than him, he finished up to the 8th grade, has long hair, is silent and obedient, and does not plan to have a career as she has to devote her life to her husband. However, he unexpectedly ends up marrying Kirti, who is the polar opposite of his expectations. Kirti is a wrestler who has anger issues, short hair, and is a university graduate. She refuses to marry because she wants to focus on her career as a wrestling champion. However, her father has a heart attack and wants her to get married. Her uncle Ganesan arranges her marriage to him and convinces her to lie about herself and pretend to adjust to Veera's type. Hence, she has to wear hair extensions and control her anger. She accepts Veera's marriage proposal only because he refuses dowry. Within a few months, she has to deal with Veera and his rigid expectations of a wife. However, when Veera was going to be killed by Das over a political disagreement, Kirti shows her true colors and saves his life. This makes Veera scared of her because he is worried that she will beat him up. This also causes everyone to ridicule him because his wife is stronger and manlier than him. Satam, the family lawyer, shows Veera the truth about Kirti. This makes Veera develop a newfound respect for her abilities. With this incident, Kirti rises to popularity. When Ratnam returns from prison, he disrespects Kirti because he thinks she is inferior to him, which results in Kirti slapping him. Veera learns this and slaps her and expels her from the house. Kirti leaves the house and vows to come back only when Veera realizes his mistake and accepts that men and women are equal. Kirti returns home, and her father enrolls her for a wrestling competition intentionally, in which she refuses to participate. To make matters worse, Ratnam and Satam decide to file a divorce under Veera's name, unknown to Veera, through a letter. This makes Kirti take up wrestling again. When Veera realizes that she has signed up for wrestling, Veera decides to end his life as he has lost respect, after Das refuses to fight him because of Kirti. They provoke him to fight against her to restore his pride. His uncle convinces the association to have a separate wrestling match between Veera and Kirti. Lokesh, Kirti's new coach who lusts after her, makes this happen for business purposes. Veera is trained by Kodangi, who is a traditional wrestler. He refuses to train him initially because he wanted to be prepared for the match in 15 days, but Veera lies by saying he is doing this for his wife, which Kodangi agrees to help because he is a widower. Veera trains hard and understands the pain wrestlers go through. The day before the match, he goes to meet Ratnam but instead meets his aunt, Ratnam's wife, who says that he has already lost a match against his wife and that he is not a good husband. She reveals that Kirti likes him and also dreams of becoming a wrestler. His aunt admits that she is also a university graduate, but, like Kirti's family, her father lied that she had only finished 4th standard so that Ratnam would marry her. She says that Kirti and many other women sacrifice their careers for the sake of family and marriage. Veera understands his own shortcomings as a husband and finds that Kirti has won a lot of medals. That night, he goes to visit Kirti, which is interrupted by Lokesh. Lokesh lies saying that Kirti does not want to see Veera. Upset by this, he leaves. On the day of the match, Lokesh tries to assault Kirti on the pretext of comforting her. The doctor reveals that Kirti is pregnant after checking her blood test, required for wrestlers to see if they are fit enough to wrestle, which she does not know about. The doctor advises that Kirti should not wrestle, which Lokesh refuses because he wants the money from the attention for the spouses fighting each other. When the match begins, Kirti faints and is taken to the hospital. Veera, who wants to see her, is refused to by Lokesh and asks him to find the other wrestlers, which he refuses to. Veera then challenges Lokesh for the fight. During the fight, Lokesh, who is winning, ends up telling Veera that Kirti is pregnant and he was going to continue on with the wrestling between the spouses and put him up for damages for being a bad husband for a miscarriage. Hearing this, Veera is angered and overpowers him and wins. He gives a speech saying that he was brought up wrong and Kirti proved him wrong. He tells that men and women are equal and how many women should not sacrifice personal ambitions with societal expectations. He goes to visit Kirti and apologizes to her. He also tells her that the divorce was his uncle's idea and the couple reconciles. A year and a half time, Veera and their daughter watch Kirti's wrestling match, which she wins.